Solve 5x minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 19, showing clear working. And B, expand and simplify fully x minus 5 times x plus 3. So we've got 5x minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 19. Now when I like to do these questions, I like to look at the x term first. We've got 5x and 2x, and you need to decide which one is the lower or the smaller term. And that's the 2x, so therefore you do the opposite to what it says here. So it's a plus 2x here, then you need to take 2x from both sides. So remember, solving equations, you need to do the same thing to both sides. So this now becomes 5x minus 2x, which is 3x, minus 4. 2x minus 2x gives you nothing, and then you just got that's equal to 19. Next step, unpacking the equation. The opposite of minus 4 is to add 4 to both sides. So if you add 4 to this side, you're going to get just 3x, and 19 plus 4 is 23. The opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. If you do divide by 3 here, you get x, which is what we were trying to find. Well, 3 doesn't go into 23, so we'll just write it as 23 over 3 as an improper fraction. Second part is to expand two brackets. So I like to do x times x plus 3 minus 5 times x plus 3. And then we do x times x, which is x squared, x times 3, which is 3x, minus 5 times x, which is minus 5x, and then minus 5 times plus 3 gives me minus 15. Don't forget to change the sign. So we're going to have x squared. Now we group the two middle terms together. So we've got 3x minus 5x, which is minus 2x, minus 15. So we've got x squared minus 2x minus 15 is the answer. So there's been a video to show you how to solve a simple linear equation and to expand two brackets. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.